Welcome to Bike Review Zone, your trusted space for honest and detailed motorcycle insights. Today, we dive into the all-new 2025 Honda Shine 150R, a machine that combines refined styling, reliable performance, and everyday practicality. Design and styling. The 2025 Shine 150R carries forward Honda's premium commuter DNA but adds a sportier edge. With sharp body lines, a muscular fuel tank, and modern LED headlamps, it's designed to appeal to both daily riders and younger enthusiasts. The updated graphics and dual-tone options give it a fresh, dynamic presence on the road. Engine and performance. At its heart is a 149 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine tuned for a balance of efficiency and responsive power delivery. Honda has enhanced refinement with their advanced ESP technology, ensuring smoother acceleration and reduced vibrations. The bike delivers punchy mid-range performance, making overtakes in city traffic effortless while still maintaining strong fuel economy. Features and technology. The Shine 150R now comes with a fully digital console, Bluetooth connectivity for call and SMS alerts, and a gear position indicator, features commuters will truly appreciate. Honda has also included a side stand engine cutoff for safety and a silent start system for added convenience. Comfort and ride quality. Honda has fine-tuned the suspension with telescopic forks at the front and adjustable rear shocks, ensuring a comfortable ride on city streets as well as rough patches. The seating is wide and ergonomically designed for long commutes, while the slightly sporty stance adds confidence without sacrificing comfort. Braking and safety. The bike is equipped with disc brakes at the front and rear with Honda's Combi brake system for controlled and confident stopping. Wider tires provide added grip, enhancing stability during high-speed runs and emergency braking situations. Price and verdict. With competitive pricing in the commuter premium segment, the 2025 Honda Shine 150R positions itself as a reliable yet stylish everyday companion. It is perfect for riders who want Honda's legendary reliability with a dash of sportiness and modern features. Closing. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Honda Shine 150R. What do you think? Does this bike strike the right balance between performance and practicality? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Bike Review Zone for more detailed updates on the latest two-wheelers.